Composite shapes. More practice number 1. This composite shape is a square prism with a cylinder on top. We'll start by finding out the radius on the top of the cylinder. The formula is radius equals diameter divided by 2. So the radius will be 2 divided by 2, which will make the radius 1 centimeter. We'll then use our graphic organizer to solve. First, we'll draw the shape. The first shape we'll draw is a square. The square prism will have 6 sides. So instead of calculating the top of the cylinder and then subtracting the bottom where there is overlap, we will just count the entire top face of the square prism and not add the top and bottom circle on the cylinder. This will account for the 2 points of overlap. So the shape will be 4 centimeters by 4 centimeters. There will be 6 sides. And now we'll solve. Area equals base times height. Area equals 4 times 4. So the area will be 16 centimeters squared. There are 6 faces, so 16 times 6 will be 96 centimeters squared. Now we'll solve for the outside of the cylinder. We will not include the top or the bottom, as we've already included the top in the top face of the square prism. Again, if we were to unravel this, this would look like a rectangle. And the bottom of the rectangle, or the base, would be 2 times 3.14 times 1, and the height will be 4 centimeters. There's only one of those, so now we'll solve. Area equals 2 times pi times r times the height. Area equals 2 times 3.14 times 1 times 4. So the area will be 25.12 centimeters squared. And the last step will be adding the two totals together. 96 centimeters squared plus the 25.12 centimeters squared, which gives us a final total of 121.12 centimeters squared.